In this guide, I'll show you how to install the Rapido Captain app on your smartphone. The steps are nearly identical whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. If you're on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, open the Apple App Store instead. Once you're inside the store, make sure your internet connection is stable. Then tap on the search bar and type Rapido Captain. From the search results, locate the official Rapido Captain app. In some cases, you might also see the standard Rapido app. Choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting the app, tap the Install or Get on iPhone button. The download will begin, and the installation process should complete within a few moments, depending on your connection speed. Once installed, the app will be ready to use on your device. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.